There's a sign for more businesses, and it looks like there's apartments down there as well, and it has a name. It says something village in green. Oh man, of course I'm gonna want to go down there, but it's getting a little bit late. It's called Shishan Village. Of course I want to go down there. Are you kidding me? Look at that. It's getting a little bit dark, but I'm gonna walk by the school too. Wow. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So I don't know how this is going to look later, so I might as well capture it now. I think by the time we get halfway through there, it'll be dark already. But over there you can see some skyscrapers all lit up right there, so their lights are just coming on. These are just coming on too, some of the lights. And this looks like a little village. They had the name of it out front. And this is the school that we're walking by, and it has like stuff that says like polo and swimming, and there's a tennis, I don't know, all kinds of like sports stuff. I don't know, maybe that's I don't know, thought it could have been a school or university. It could also be just a sports center. So we're going to try to get into the heart of that before it gets too dark. It looks pretty linear. I think we can just walk along the mountains there, and it goes hopefully towards those buildings over there. We'll find out soon, I guess, won't we? So we're walking by this. So it looks like it is actually a sports center. There's basketball right there. It's a pretty cool looking roof. And I think it is probably, it's a middle school. Zhuhai HENGQIN New Area #1 Middle School. So I guess what we're gonna do is just gonna follow that and just walk all the way down, and we're gonna just see how far we can get along this little village road. But this looks real nice. And that looks like the entrance, so that's like a middle school. Pretty big middle school. There's a nice rock right there as well that probably symbolizes something. And then we're basically just gonna walk all the way into that little village right there. And we're gonna walk all the way down, and we'll see what it all looks like. So yeah, we were in HENGQIN, and we're kind of, they gave me the name of the town when we came in. Interesting, very interesting. Okay, before the sun goes down more, this is this little village in HENGQIN. It's kind of near the mountains. It's kind of like on the, it's on the southern side of where all the new developments are. The new developments are up over here, and you can see all these skyscrapers over there, all these new buildings over that direction. And this is kind of like a village. So we're basically gonna walk through the village, and I don't know anything about it. I don't know how long it's been here. Looks like there's a, ooh, dang, okay. Looks like there's a little thing for people to go in and out. So hopefully we can go through it. It looks like there's, that might be for cars. But what I want to do is I want to walk all the way down, and we'll see if that's even possible. Might not be. There's like a little gate right there. I can't read it, so how do I know what it says? So it looks like this. Like a basketball down there. There's kids here. And I think what we're gonna do is walk by the basketball court first. We'll just kind of walk and check it all out. Let's see how far we can get into this. It's really cool. I bet the rent is like really good prices. Uh-oh. Hey. He's too old to play with those, but so our plan is to go down one of those, but I got to go get him first. So I think we can just go down one of those roads right there, or we go up a little bit. Hopefully he sees me. I don't want to lose him here. Let me just kind of see what all these roads look like. So it looks like you could go down. That one looks like it goes up into the apartments, and this one He's gonna play without us. We're gonna go this way. I guess I should explain he's autistic. That's an explanation enough, right? Okay, so it looks like we got some little shops in here, and it looks like this is basically like a small village in HENGQIN. The lights are going down, but it looks like it's mostly residential with some. Let's see, once this car goes by, I'm going to be able to go in the middle. Then I'll flip the camera around. Nice chairs everywhere. There we go. What do you think? So he might actually be a little bit thirsty. But I want to check this out before it gets too dark. That's all, liquor store right there. Chips. I do want to go in there as well, but I want to walk all the way down because I think it's going to be too dark pretty soon. I'm also dealing with him. He always wants to grab something in the store all the time, but I want to catch this before it gets totally dark, and then I can't catch it at all. But actually the lighting is pretty interesting, and there's all these little shops in here everywhere. So it's just like a little canyon of apartments with this pedestrian street right through the middle. And then when we came in, it was blocked to cars. So I think only cars that have a right to be here can come in here. But it's a pretty interesting little area. Because you basically got everything you need. It's a little village in HENGQIN. And a lot of HENGQIN looks like it's kind of set up like a suburb. There's not much density like this, but then there's a little bit of it. So here's one right here, and I kind of like that. Yeah, and actually we're probably only like 3 kilometers from the University of Macau right now. There's a little shop right there. We got some restaurants up there. Got a big restaurant here. I really want to eat, but it has to be dark enough that I can't film anymore. Otherwise I can't film anymore. This is like super cool though. Just when you just get the... You want to get some drinking water? Okay. So go grab something. I guess I need something too. Let's see what I'm gonna grab. What am I gonna get? I want to get something. We got a lot of choices here. I want to get aloe. That's what I want to get. That one maybe? Is that aloe or plum? Don't open that. You gotta buy it first, okay? So let me get mine first, and then don't open it. I'm kind of distracted because I'm watching, make sure he doesn't do anything he's not supposed to do. Because if he starts drinking it before he gets it, that'll be awkward for me. But at the same time, I have to get what I need to get as well. So I did get this Gatorade. So we're gonna get this one. And now we got this and we got that. So show me what you got there. All right, so now we're gonna bring these into the store. And we're gonna get these. Got this. And this one. Okay. Let's see. Is that?
好，谢谢。
Okay, grab your water. Go. Shishi.
Bye bye.
All right, so now we're gonna come on back out. And we can continue. And he's got his water. I got something to drink. I needed that as well. Actually, it's kind of cool, all these little stores. That was 5, so that was 5 yuan. But I couldn't understand what he said because embarrassing. But I'm in Macau, everybody just uses English at all times. So I never hear Chinese in Macau. And now I'm over here and I hear Chinese all the time and I don't even know the numbers. But if I was in like a Portuguese or Spanish or Korean or Japanese, I would at least know the numbers. God. Embarrassing. I gotta study. If I'm gonna come over here, gotta start working with the numbers. Let me just see what these prices are here. Looks like we're gonna go just a little bit further. And we got all the prices on the wall. So let me just kind of see. Looks like things are like 10 or 12. Got a nice little mural. Oh, it smells really good in here. So they got soups in here, and those are the prices. And they also got the meat as well. You want to get that one? Okay, 1 second. So let's come back out this way for a second, Tyler. And we're gonna come back in a minute. I know he wants to eat right here, and I think we are gonna eat here in a second. But I also want to film the end of the street. But actually, you can see up there. I think I will go back and eat at that place, and you can actually see that the end is going to be like right over that way. So so basically, we did actually do our little street here, and I think that was actually good enough. And I think we're gonna. Man, lighting is like perfect right now. Oh well. Okay, so we are actually gonna get something to eat right here. So we actually got a pretty nice mural right there. And they got some pretty good food, so we'll show you what we got in a second here. Okay, so we're all set up here. So we got these noodles right here that we're gonna enjoy. He's already into it. I got mine all set up. Gonna get into mine as well. And then he's got these. He likes these a lot. He's kind of into Cantonese cuisine quite a bit. So. Let's enjoy it. Just gonna go for it. Yeah. So yep, got some chicken feet there. Oh, he's just gonna enjoy. He's gonna kind of suck on it and get the juices out of it. So I guess he's gonna. So, anyways, you'll enjoy that. Okay. I'm gonna enjoy. Okay, so we just ate at that restaurant, and it looks like we got our to go, we got our taobao, and let's go back to HENGQIN, go back to Macau. It's been good. So we have a little park right here, so we're gonna navigate that, and the lights, sun is down, and we're gonna try to figure out how to get back to Macau. It's pretty interesting though. I like this little area. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.